Greetings and welcome to the Corner of Curiosity, where every question is an invitation to explore the wonders of our world. To get started, please take just 1 second to like this video. Your support encourages me to continue creating this content. The igloo, a traditional Inuit shelter made entirely of ice blocks, may seem like an unlikely place to stay warm in the frigid Arctic temperatures. However, the design of the igloo is actually quite ingenious in its ability to retain heat and keep its occupants warm. The key to the igloo's warmth lies in its construction. The blocks of ice are carefully cut and stacked in a spiral pattern, creating a dome-shaped structure that is both sturdy and well insulated. The rounded shape of the igloo helps to distribute the weight of the blocks evenly, preventing any weak spots that could compromise its integrity. Inside the igloo, the temperature is typically several degrees warmer than the outside air. This is due to the fact that the ice blocks act as a natural insulator, trapping the heat generated by the occupants' bodies and any sources of heat, such as a fire or a lantern. The compact design of the igloo also helps to minimize the amount of space that needs to be heated, making it easier to maintain a comfortable temperature. In addition to its insulation properties, the igloo also benefits from the heat generated by the occupants themselves. As they go about their daily activities, such as cooking, sleeping, and socializing, their bodies produce heat that warms the interior of the igloo. This heat is then absorbed by the ice blocks, helping to maintain a steady temperature inside. Another factor that contributes to the igloo's warmth is its ventilation system. In order to prevent the buildup of carbon dioxide and other gases, the Inuit typically leave a small hole at the top of the igloo to allow for air circulation. This hole also helps to regulate the temperature inside the igloo, preventing it from becoming too hot or too cold. Overall, the igloo is a remarkable example of how traditional knowledge and ingenuity can be used to create a warm and comfortable living space in some of the harshest conditions on Earth. By harnessing the insulating properties of ice, as well as the heat generated by its occupants, the igloo is able to provide a cozy refuge from the cold Arctic winds. Thank you for exploring with us here at the Corner of Curiosity. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating content. As always, feel free to leave your questions and thoughts in the comments below. Until next time.